So today we will discuss in detail about free radical reaction mechanism. So this free radical reaction mechanism is generally followed by alkanes. Like for example, let us take alkane like methane, right? When it reacts with a halogen gas like a chlorine in the presence of light or heat, it gives the compound like CH3Cl plus HCl. So these are the products of this reaction. Now let us discuss the mechanism of this reaction, which is also named as free radical substitution reaction. So in this reaction we start with chlorine gas. Like chlorine gas is given, we are giving the light to the chlorine gas, and in the presence of light, the chlorine, which is made up of chlorine single bond chlorine, gives Cl dot plus Cl dot, which is a free radical. Two free radicals of chlorine. Now this free radical of chlorine react with methane gas and forms CH3 free radical plus HCl. Now here one important thing, that it does not form CH3Cl in this step because this is not energetically favored. So this forms only this step, which is chlorine free radical react with methane and form methane free radical, and this does not form. Now this methane free radical again react with chlorine gas and forms CH3Cl plus chlorine free radical. Now this chlorine free radical again react with you can say this is suppose step 1 and this is suppose step 2. So these two steps are repeated again and again to form the compound which is known as CH3Cl. So this is called propagation step. Now you can say like this is initiation step, this is propagation step. So this is initiation step, first step where the chlorine free radical formed. Now in second step, which is called propagation step. Now in this propagation step, now you can see like chlorine is reacting with methane forming methyl free radical and HCl, and this methyl free radical again reacting with chlorine gas and forming methyl chloride and this chlorine free radical. Now this chlorine free radical again react with methane, and these steps can propagate until the complete methane gas reacted with chlorine gas. So like this. And the last step is called termination step, in which all free radicals like CH3 free radical, chlorine free radical, the possible combination chlorine free radical with chlorine free radical, CH3 free radical with CH3 free radical can react with each other to form the final terminated, you can say. These are the last few amount left of these free radicals and they are terminated in this product. So this is called termination step. So like this, through these all three steps, this reaction completed. Thank you.